Hey girls, this is Elisa with WTI. I'm always looking for that fresh look right in the middle of the day where I already have my makeup on. And this Mario Badescu has been doing the job for me. I love this product because it has aloe, it has chamomile and lavender, and it hydrates my skin. I also love that it's super easy to use and it has very clean ingredients. You're going to see how nicely it sprays. You will receive this mist instantly, evenly all over your face, feeling refreshed and feeling hydrated. I also love that the lavender scent gives this calming sensation. This product is great. I love bringing it with me everywhere. I use it before, after, and during my makeup. So if you're looking to hydrate and refresh your skin, definitely check this one out, and that is my point of view.